Ahoy fellow builders, nipper check muna tayo. As you can see, I haven't touched my area for a month and I'm working out with my new workstation and of my tools were mixed up, and I noticed something here, particular in the nippers. Since nagsama-sama sila, they were all mixed up and nag-worry ako baka kalawangin sila. It might get them rusted, but one thing that I noticed with this Hobby Ali snipper, so as you can see, still andun pa rin yung shiny niya. Ayan, yung reflection, the reflection still there, while the others, ayan, yan yung mga sinasabi ko sa inyo, mga may stain na nung kalawang. And nag-worry ako baka kumapit kasi with other nippers. So right now with this one, I'm surprised that still andun pa rin yung shiny niya, andun pa rin, wala siyang masyadong sign of rust. And yeah, merong mga gas and scratches, but still I think it's in a good condition pa rin after all na nag-mix up siya with the other nippers. So stay tuned, I'm working with my new workstation. So this is your fellow builder, Hot Rod. Just build more and build up.